Dream your dream, drive the future. That's the slogan of the Toyota Dream Art Contest. And to give us the details are Tricia Fletcher, Assistant Marketing Manager, Toyota Jamaica, as well as, listen to this, the 2017 first place winner, me. No joke. In the winner of the 8 to 11 category. And she's right here. And she's from Jamaica. Athalia Clark. Good morning to you both.
Good
Welcome
morning,
to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you for having us.
Athalia, congrats.
Thank you.
Congrats. I'm coming back to you pretty soon. Trace, what going?
Nothing much. I'm good. Happy New Year.
To you too. Hope you have a great year.
I'm going to.
This was done a couple of months back.
Yes.
Tell me what we're talking about.
All right, it's our Toyota Dream Car Art Competition, and it's something that we do at the beginning of each year. So we're ready to start now. We started in December, and it goes up until the end of February. Actually, February 16th is the final date. And what we're trying to do is give kids the opportunity to imagine, think about the future and what it is that you, maybe it's something that you see that you want to fix, something that you want to change, and think how a car can help you do it.
Yep.
And draw it.
And this is Toyota International. This is not Toyota Jamaica, but we are a part of it.
We are a part of it. So there is two parts to the competition. You have a local part, which is where we have our Jamaican artists, they draw, and we pick the top 9. Then we submit it to the global competition.
Right.
And then they choose whether or not they're going to have a winner, yes or no.
So, Athalia, we've already said that you were the overall first place winner in the category 8 to 11. How did you know about the competition in the first place?
When I was at school, I saw many posters around the school of the competition and the awards, and I was interested.
You were interested in the awards?
Yeah.
And you go to Stella Maris?
Yeah.
Are you an art person, or just because of this you decided to do something?
I used to do art from a very young age for my parents.
I feel that you're too young to use to do anything, so you don't do it anymore?
I do it sometimes.
Sometimes. So what did you draw? We have some other pictures around us, but these would have been for the other local categories.
Yes.
But what did you draw? And we're going to see it in a little while. And that's you in Japan there. Is that your mom with you?
Yes.
Beautiful. So what did you draw?
I drew a leaf car.
You drew a
leaf car.
A leaf car. That's it right there.
Yes.
Where did that idea come from?
I was interested in solving the traffic problem. And when we went out, sometimes there was no parking space. So I said, why don't you just invent a car that can park in a tree?
That is wonderful. No, that would be great for me too, just park in a tree. Did you get any help from mommy and stuff?
No.
You did it all by yourself?
It was my idea.
So you came up with this all by yourself? Did you see something like this in a book or something?
No.
That is absolutely brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant. And you got an award in Japan also?
Yes.
What was the award called?
It was called an
Encouragement Award.
An Encouragement Award. There you are again. Did you get a chance to learn the language a little bit?
Yes.
So you can say konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Genki desu ka?
Genki desu ka?
Hey, I know a little bit. What was it like for you, Chase? Because you were there also.
It was fantastic.
How many entries are we talking about here?
Well, globally they got over 800,000 entries.
800,000.
Yes. And then what they do is they narrow it down to the top 10, and then you go and you vie for first, second, third, and then encouragement awards. So Athalia was actually the first from Jamaica to actually win in the global competition. And so this was our first time that we were able to have a winner coming from Jamaica. Yes.
Brilliant. Apart from the trip and the Encouragement Award, did you get any other awards?
Yes.
And what does she get? What did she get from you guys locally?
Well, we give tablets, book vouchers, wireless speakers. This year we're actually doing something for the schools. So the top 3 schools from each category will also win a prize.
The different categories would be?
It's 8 and under. You have from 8 to 11.
Which would be?
In Athalia's category, right?
Yep.
And then you have from 12 to 15.
You told me about the overall entries. What about locally? You got a lot of support from?
We did. We had nearly 100 entries locally. And this year we're hoping to double it. So if you are into art, come on out. You can go on our website. It's www.toyotajamaica.com. The entry form is there. You can see other pieces that we have done. And we just want our Jamaican artists, because we know our kids are very talented, very, very talented.
And it's the same kind of, what do I call it? Same criteria, I guess,
Same criteria.
every single year?
It is. They don't change it, but they want persons to just think about the future.
So in other words, you want to draw a car that we might see in the future?
Basically.
Okay.
But it also has to have a story behind it. It has to solve a problem. It has to help in some way to make our future better, which is what they're looking to see. So, which is why they loved Athalia's own when she said that you
the
could...
traffic problem,
yes,
so that's her
and
story.
could park in a tree, you know?
That's
so
her story.
It is, and it don't limit yourself.
Yeah.
So if you want the information, go on our website. It's on our Facebook page. All our social media has the information, or call us. Our numbers are 923-723-125.
Can Athalia enter again?
She can. She can.
You have another idea?
Yes.
Who's this now? Or do you remember? Or this will be a local?
An ice cream. Yes, this was a local one. This was our ice cream car. And basically what it is was the little girl said that she wanted to bring fun and excitement to everybody, all her friends and family. And everybody loves ice cream. So her car would go around and give everybody ice cream. Yes.
So the car would carry the ice cream, or the car is the ice cream?
It is ice cream, and it would carry it.
And this is another one?
This was another one. This was a bottle car, and this was actually taking bottles, helping with recycling. So they'd take the bottles and recycle it, and then it would transport kids all around.
This is brilliant.
So,
Athalia, you're going to enter again?
Yes.
You're going to enter again?
Yes.
Have another idea? Don't tell us, because other people might be listening and then take your idea. But you have another idea?
Yes.
Already? So you have entered already?
No.
Because you said the next one starts when?
it starts now. It's actually going on now. So you have up until...
Nothing.
Well, I hope you win again and you get another trip and you could come back and talk to us. Great to meet you. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is ComTask.
Is?
ComTask.
ComTask. Communicate.
ComTask.
Right.
Okay. I'm a little old, so you have to stay with me. It's great to meet you. And I wish you all the very, very best as we move on. Good to see your face.
Same here.
Thanks,
All right,
and same to you.
The Toyota Dream Car Art Contest Promotion, Tracy Ann Fletcher, Assistant Marketing Manager, Toyota Jamaica, and 2017 first place winner in the 8 to 11 category, Athalia Clark. All right, folks, sometimes we have to deal with serious stuff, so we segue and speak with the State Minister about what happened at the Walkers' place of safety. Soon come. Stay with us.